Hello everyone, welcome back. So this weekend we're down on the south coast with my mate Jimmy. Say hello mate.
What up?
Down on the south coast of Cornwall, fishing for wrasse. And we've got a secret weapon with us this week, so we are guaranteed fish 100%. Especially at the marks we're at the moment. These are my favourite marks in Cornwall, I'll be honest with you, for wrasse fishing. Oh mate, it's catch so many. So yeah, stay locked. Got an exciting one for you, definitely. See you in a bit. Jimmy. He's got a wrasse. He's got a wrasse, boy. He's got a little favour.
Bosh!
Hey. Yeah, Jimmy.
Bosh, my
Well
first
done,
sea
mate.
fish.
Well done, brother.
The fuck is
Put the
it?
rod down like that.
Alright, easy now, sausage. Easy now, sausage. Kaboom!
On the ragworm.
Oh, what's he getting? Can't now get out. Got a thingy. Forceps.
You swallowed it.
It's barbed, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, do you want me to have a go?
Yeah, go on. 'Cause I don't want to hurt him.
Oh, best way to hold him. Film this. But the best way to hold wrasse, underneath those fins there, grip it tight.
Kaboom! Go on, stick it back.
Stick it back.
Fucking hell.
There he swims off.
And he lives to fight another day.
He lives to fight another day. Cheers, mate.
Bosh.
Woo!
Ah, my first fucking sea fish.
Well done, Jimmy. First fish of the day. First ever wrasse. Well done, brother.
Bosh!
Right, little update, guys. We've got a seal over there, and we've got a baby one sticking its head up right in this area where we're fishing here. So you can see his head? See his head? Right there.
Literally when I cast.
He's just sitting over the top of our bait. Right. Little bugger. Put it this way, seals equals no fish, man. All the fish hide. When the seals bugger off, 20 minutes after they bugger off, mate, they'll be everywhere. Yeah, we're going to move on to the next spot and just try and get away from these seals. Sweet. Yeah, well done, Jimmy. Happy day, that was bigger.
This cunt ain't got no teeth. It can't be the same as the last one.
They has got teeth. Mate, I'm getting bites here.
No, the last one had a Colgate smile.
Trust me, you peel his lips back, you'll see. Seriously, I'll show you. You peel his lips back.
Alright, fishy. Hold up, hold up. Hey. My niggas will be acting too soft. That's a textbook hook as well.
Yeah. Nice, mate, nice. Nice, Jimmy. Woohoo! Yeah, boy. Yeah, look, man, look, I'll show you his lips. Teeth.
Look at that, look.
Look at
Colgate
teeth,
smile.
man. Look at those gnashers.
Donkey.
Hope he doesn't bite me.
Can he fucking survive that?
Yeah, mate, they're hard. They're the hardiest fish around, mate, those wrasse. Woo. Yeah, beaut. Well done, mate.
Nice one, brother.
Yeah, mate. Yes, mate. My turn.
Let's get.
Another wrasse. Different colour one to your one. Woohoo! Look at the greens. Greens on this bad boy.
Wow.
You guys see that?
Yeah, mate.
Woo! Look at that little beauty. On the old ragworm, can't beat them.
You're good, isn't it?
Yeah. And look, you can leave them in rock pools. Look at the rock pool photo.
Oh, come on. Where's it going? I'm in.
Yes, Jim, go on, mate.
Come on, you checker. What is that fucking fire?
Could be a big one. No, they feel massive though, don't they? They feel so massive. Woohoo! Well done, mate. Well done. We've got 2 now. Put it in this rock pool, mate.
Hold up.
Come down here. Jim. No, don't leave it on the hook. Take your bail arm off. Give it to me.
Go on then.
Take your bail arm off, yeah? Look at that. 2 in the rock pool. Yeah, boy. Wicked, mate. The only problem is these. Right. Get that hook out quick, because these puddles don't have any air in, do they?
What?
These rock pools don't have any. So grab him like that underneath the. Yeah, you got him, mate. Pro at it now, aren't you?
Oh, we've done a fucking back double.
Call this bugger.
Half pipe. Double twist.
Look at him. Little beauty there, mate. Little beaut. Right, we'll put him back. Wallop. Then wash your hands if you want to wash your hands in the puddles, mate. See how good's that? Go on, Jimmy. Yeah, mate, spin it round for the camera.
Boom, Shangri-La.
Oh, yeah, mate. How fucking good's that?
Fast, man.
All on the secret weapon. So we brought our secret weapon today, and that is ragworm. No, sorry, lugworm we got. But rag or lug doesn't really matter. Any old worm I do, but it's the secret Wrasse weapon. Don't tell a soul. There's me telling. Show you my setup, guys. Just a little weedless Ned hook. It's going to whack a flipping lugworm straight on that. Just leave it on the bottom, search around the margins, and you should be the Wrasse daddy. I'll show you how we put these hooks on the worm, or worm on the hooks. So literally get a bugger like that, straight through. There's a little hole in a little mouth on the top, or bum, I don't know what it is, but thread it straight through, just like that, mate. And let's get that Wrasse. Let's get those bloody Wrasse, boy. Get that Wrasse, boy. Go on, mate. Go on, Jim. Yeah, mate, they're such cool fish, aren't they?
Yeah, they love it, mate. Oh, I don't know, you know, that's a fucking...
Oh, yeah.
It's an hefty one.
Probably the biggest one so far, mate.
Without doubt, that's our biggest one I caught.
Right, don't take the hook out, yeah? Right, so hold the line in your mouth and then it's belly on underneath.
Hold the what? Line in...
So hold the line with one hand.
Yeah.
And then just put one hand under its belly. That's it, mate, but just not your fingertips. Yeah, so we can see the fish. Do you know what I mean? You can just hold it with your fingertips, mate. Yeah, mate. Yeah, boy.
Fucking sweet, that's got some cool colours, eh?
Whoa!
Bosh.
Yeah, Jimmy, well done, brother. Well
6.
done, mate. 6, brother. Well
Fucking
done,
right.
mate.
Ain't a bad day, is it?
On the secret weapon. Worms.
Got that.
Happy days. Right, mate.
Left-handed, didn't I?
Video, mate.
I'm left-handed.
Cool.
Kaboom.
Yeah, look at that mouth.
Blue lips.
Blue lips, mate. Yeah, some of them have blue lips, some of them don't. Yeah, look at that.
Okay, smile.
Want me to chuck him or you?
Yeah, go for it. Chuck him in. Double twist.
Double twist, get down here.
With a half pike.
He's a bit bigger, this one. Like, try and put him in like a dart. Woo, head first, mate. Straight into the hole.
Bosh, man.
Well done, mate.
Yeah, that was sick.
Got a decent one. About as big as your one. Just climb down a bit like closer to this bugger. Keeps going, trying to get underneath this cliff here, look. Woo! Yeah, nice one, Jim. Woo. See that bugger? Oh, on the Texas rig, as you can see, he swallowed the whole hook though, hasn't he?
Oh, really?
Yeah, let me get up here. The pliers. Alright, emergency surgery for the Wrasse. Emergency, keep him in the water there for a sec. Alright, emergency surgery. He's got a spike under his belly as well, have you noticed that when you hold him?
No. Well, the dorsal fins are a bit prangy.
Told you, mate.
Dude, this one's a fire.
Yeah, mate.
That's a good size, you know.
Go on, Jim. Yeah, boy.
Dude, seriously, you might have to fucking drag him up.
Yeah. Bring him round here. Come round this way. I'll put it back on your head. And the people can see what you have to do for a Wrasse sometimes. Oh, yeah.
He's a good size.
Fuck, real good size, Jim. Yeah.
Gosh.
Real good size, mate. Whack him in that rock pool or something. It's a dirty
Stinks.
one. Yeah, stinks, fair enough.
Ah, he's a good boy, look. Fucking A.
Yeah, mate.
That is pucker.
Woohoo.
Bosh.
Yeah, boy.
Oh.
On the Texas rig.
Thought the rod was going in then.
How many you had now, Jim? 8?
That's A.
Not bad for your first time Wrasse fishing, eh?
Fucking A. Come on,
So
mate.
it's quite like go back on itself.
Oh,
Yeah, it's come off, it's come off, it's come off.
Oh, get in.
Yes!
Oh, mate, that was out
He
of order.
released himself.
I feel bad now, you fuck.
Oh, mate, it happens, do you know what I mean? It's a fish.
Don't put that in
If he
there.
wants to flip, then he can.
Don't put that in there, you
It's his own fault for flipping.
No,
No, I don't.
well, Bob, yeah.
I mean, it's
if
his own
fish can't
fault.
read, don't
Yeah.
flap when you call.
Yeah, man. You want to? If the fish wants a safe release, it better not flap, man. Pucker, well done, brother. Water is so clear here. So I'm just dragging the lure along the bottom, loads of pauses, aiming for the rocks. And not catching nothing because we've run out of worms. We'll get some, mate. I normally just use lures, mate. I normally don't come down here with worms at all.
Oh, really?
This is only the second time I've ever come down here with worms. Right. Sadly, that's the end of our fishing adventure for the day, but Jimmy smashed it, didn't he, Jim?
8 fish.
8 wrasse, mate. I had like 3 or even 2, I think. He absolutely smashed it, Jimmy. Well done, mate. Well done, brother. But yeah, Ned, get yourself out to the coast, catch some wrasse, man. They're around all year round and easy to catch. Let's get your perch gear out and find those little buggers. Anyway, good luck everyone, tight lines, and I'll see you next time.